What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's good? Is it raining? Are we good? Let's go. What's happening? Maxime, Quentin, what's good, team? What's good, team? What's good, team? Are we winning? New day, new dollar. That is true, bro. That is true. Today is a new day. Obviously, it means that we going for the new dollar too. How's everyone doing? How's your weekend, team? How was your weekend? Did you guys have a good weekend? Let's go. Did you have a good weekend? Milk. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Nice one, team. I'm excited that we're here, team. We're just doing this. We just got started right now. Obviously, make sure that you tapped in wherever you're watching this from, whether it's from YouTube, whether it's from Kik. We here, bro. We here. And yeah, man, we live right now. You can see. So we're gonna be looking at the markets for the day. I'm gonna be opening up my screen right here, and we're gonna be doing things on a big day. So I want us to just start off first by looking at, what's the economics saying for today. So today is the 13th of July. We can see 13th of July. Right now we haven't really got much going on. You can see after 6 we have FOMC member speaking. We had this member Bowman speaks, and now we're having Waller who's going to be speaking, and then from there 8 p.m. we're going to be having this. But through speaking, this is all low impact news, so all we have right now is technicals, nothing more. And when it comes to the technicals, I am looking at it right now. This is the dollar index. I want us to start off first by the weekly, just to see what the previous week was like. How did the week end, all those things. But yeah, man, we are doing this, guys. You can see it. You're all live witnessing this. If you're not subscribed, I don't know where you subscribed at or what you're doing, but make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And at the same time, for the ones that you just got in now, or maybe, I don't know, this is all for education purposes. It's not financial advice. It's not me giving signals or me saying buy when I'm saying buy, sell when I'm saying sell. No, don't copy my trades or what I'm doing, because I'm coming in with as well experience, and also with me being able to understand the risks that I'm taking. Even when I take losses, there's money that I put on, which means that I'm also losing. But at the same time, I don't want to be responsible or liable for the decisions that you make on your side. That's why I say, when you're trading, make sure that you've done your own analysis and trade in accordance to your plan. That way we are all gonna be happy, no problems. Look here, bro. Right now I can easily see that we do have this area, and right now we basically broke above here at the top, but we didn't really give that nice clean break, because you can see this candle, we closed above, but we came back here with the sun. So basically we done this rejection, and after this I can see that we don't really have too much volume to the upside. So we done this rejection, we're not having too much volume to the upside. And by the way, we are at resistance, so it is critical to see what price does, especially at resistance. So I am gonna go on the daily. Right now on the daily, I can easily see the price has been going down, because you see after this bearish, we started going down, lower low, lower high, lower low here, lower high. So now the goal would be for price to come and take out these lows, come somewhere here, you go back up lower high, and then still continue coming down here. So dollar would be nice if we see it just dropping. Let me see, just going before hour. leave nothing behind. So 4 hour, just with the naked eye, without even doing any analysis on it, I can easily see that we do have some sort of a structure going downwards. You see, just like this, bro, structure going downwards. So already we have this area, and this one here that got touched 3 times on top of that, and you can see lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. And then now we obviously anticipating a lower low at least somewhere here, and then maybe another lower high, and then so on type of a thing. And then basically, with that being said, it would be nice to see price now coming to take out these lows, obviously, like we did mention, these ones here at the bottom. So for that to happen, price might, because already I can see we had these lows, these lower highs, and then now these lows right here. So basically what we could see is price basically just now coming slightly upwards to somewhere here, and then still continue going down on the 1 hour. I think on the 15. Yeah, so on the 15 we see in price basically just we had these break at the lows here, so now we had the skyrocket down. So if price could just and then go down, that was the breakout at the bottom here was nice. I like it. It's too strong, shows that yeah, we are committing. So yeah, man, if price could potentially just slightly push upwards, obviously now you can see why there is some sort of support here. You can see there is some sort of support, but because it's not strong, because if it was strong, it was just gonna gauge and then shoot back up. But because of how it's moving, it shows that maybe there's not that much buyers in action. So we might take those sellers to the bottom. What's happening, team? What's happening, team? Hope you well. Hope you well. Let's go. So yeah, man, with the dollar, I'm seeing price at least pushing upwards to somewhere here, and then see it coming back down. So this is going up. Let's go, team. Let's go. We're doing this, guys. This is happening all live. You can see, bro. If you just tapped in, you just tuned in, maybe you're passing by, maybe you just discovered us, make sure that you subscribe, bro. This is where we share value. You do not wanna miss this out, bro. A lot of people have missed out, but not you. So take advantage. But yeah, man, I'm seeing the dollar right now and how it's moving. I believe that we can take advantage. Just give me a second real quick. I forgot to do something just before the session. Go. We got this, bro. We got this. Yes. Okay, let's look at gold, bro. Gold. So basically, if I'm seeing this on your short-term buying, long-term selling, it means that short-term buying. Gold is selling. Long-term gold, short-term gold is sell. Maybe I put short-term sell. Okay, let's just see. Okay, gold right now I can see, yeah, it makes perfect sense. gold, I can easily see that we had this, obviously we had this come at the bottom here, take out these, go up, which is what we wanted. It's continue going upwards, but now at this highs here, we couldn't break these highs, and we respected them, and then we started forming these lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low here, lower high here. So there could be another slight push to the bottom, at least somewhere here, before we have the skyrocket upwards, right? I throw so many things, bro. Okay, so on the 4-hour high, chance the price might come somewhere here. These are from the 4-hour. Let me see. No, but this is a bit too far. I'm not too sure if we can come here during this specific session, but we looked at the daily. Yeah, daily we seen it. Obviously you can see here at the bottom everything's looking clean. Price came, tested here, nice, shot up. It tries to push up. You can see there's a nice spike downwards, so it could be sticking up for more buys. Okay, that's the 1 hour. Okay, like what I'm seeing on the 1 hour, I see we have this area here. Hopefully it's not touched. It is. Okay, let me see on the 5-minute. There's a nice gap here. On gold, you can see there is this nice clean gap. We might be looking to close it as well. Can I take this from here? Oh, I say it from the 60. Okay, makes sense. 60, okay, 50. So you see, we could potentially be coming down somewhere here at the bottom, and then go back up to close up this gap. This would be a nice trade. So what I'm seeing on gold could be either price is gonna and then go up, close this gap, this one here, and then test here, and then maybe go down or break above, or it might just go up from here, close this gap, test here, then slightly go down, test here at the bottom, go up. So we'll just see. Let me not focus that far. For now, I'm just gonna work with what it's showing me, what it's basically giving me. Okay, let me see in terms of fib. What does the Fibonacci say? Okay, I take fib from the bottom to the high. You can see swing low, swing high. We had a retracement 50% level, right here. And yeah, I know we're still coming down here. So what I'm seeing is prices these levels here below. Then I come take them out before we go up. Yeah, bro, I would take a setup like this, bro. I keep buying milk when I don't want it. I saw this thing say protein smoothie. I thought it's a smoothie, but it's milk. Doesn't make sense, bro. It doesn't. But it's still going hard, you can see. So, yeah, bro. Looks good, gold. Okay, for now, let me leave it like this. Let's go see what's happening with something else. Nasdaq, let's see. Boom. Let's see, team, what's happening, team. I hope everyone is doing well in the chat. Guys, we are going to be doing this. We're not looking back. We're still going hard. You can see you're witnessing it live, bro. Other people are not witnessing it live. You get to witness it real life. Imagine, bro. Those are powerful moves. I hope everyone is well. It's going to be a great week. If you believe it, reach out, bro. If you believe it, reach out. Let me just see what's happening in the comment section. Yeah, perfect. Mpete, what's good? What's good? What's good? Big 80, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening, team? What's happening, team? We're doing this, team. You guys are witnessing. What's happening? Hope everyone is well. Hope everyone is ready for this week. Remember, the week must find you ready, not the other way around, man. You can't want to find the week ready. It doesn't work like that. It has to find you ready, bro. So we gotta put in the work. There's no other way. There's no cheating it. There's no going back and forth. So let's see. Mr. Chisa, let's go. I believe Smangaliso. Nice one, team. Mr. Chisa, let's go. Let's go, Maxim. Nice one. I like this, team. I like this. I like this. I like this. We're not stopping, bro. We're not stopping. Let's go. Okay, let's continue looking at Nasdaq. I am here on the daily. So what I'm gonna do is, can I see what the daily previously we had these? Let me go firstly on the weekly. Just wanna see what these candlesticks are saying. Obviously, you can see very bullish. We had these push up, massive push up, but now we are in some sort of exhaustion. It's either price is gonna get from here and then continue spiking upwards, or it's gonna maybe just slowly decline. But in the meantime, that's for weekly's purposes. It will take time before that can happen. In the meantime, there's some moves that we can catch. Let me just see. So right now I can see that, don't mind my chart, guys. I've been looking at Nasdaq every day for the last few months. Price came up from those highs, low, higher high, high, low, low. We broke the low, couldn't break the high, low, high, lower high, and obviously lower low, lower high. It's either we're still coming here because I was looking at the sell initially, and then yeah. Let me see, 60 minute. Maybe it may tell us something different, right? Let's see. So here on the 60, I can see that we had obviously that push down lower, low, lower, high, low, yeah. Here it's tricky because it didn't break above, so it's more like it respected this area. And then now we can see we have this. This gap was filled here. It was going to be nice if it was not filled by this week, because I would take a sell somewhere here, go down with it. But with the looks of it, this one here, it's either a sell from somewhere here can happen, but if not, because it might just still come down here. If not, if it breaks above here, then obviously we'll have to wait for the retest. You can see here we were in this range sideways. We tested above, came back impulsively. We came to close those gaps, and then we still went down. So obviously we could go up and then still go down. But Nasdaq for today doesn't really look good. I don't think I'm gonna find an entry on Nasdaq today. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna find an entry. Nasdaq might take out these lows. I'm gonna try to take out these lows here. Might still push down till somewhere here. Yeah, so that's what I'm seeing now with Nasdaq team. I'm seeing it just continue going down till somewhere here. So obviously I'm not just gonna sell it because it doesn't make sense for me to sell something here. I don't even know where you put stop loss here and this. No, it doesn't really make sense. So I'm just gonna allow it to move well. And at the same time, I just don't like this week how it happened. If it never happened here, I could maybe look for a sell somewhere here in between, because I would see this breakout here and then somewhere here have some sort of sellers ready for me and then hopefully take it. But because it doesn't, I don't think I would, unless, where is it, 5 unless I catch one here right here. Yeah, if price comes here, see, it makes sense. At least I'm selling for a reason. Like, I'm selling here. Stop loss, it's either I could put him here, or on the safe side, just put him here. And then already, I know we're coming here, but even just there, 1:2, bro. You see? So what I'll try to see if this is more likely to happen. I'm not really gonna get my hopes high. It might not, but let's see. Obviously, if it breaks above, that means that it's just, if it breaks, that means that it's setting up for maybe a sell here. It's gonna sell somewhere here. Because if this sell doesn't work here, higher chance maybe somewhere here is gonna work. Something like this. So yeah, man, we're still going. Let's go, team. Hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is doing well, guys. For the ones that just landed, maybe you just landed, maybe you've been here, maybe you've been watching, whatever the case is, we're here to learn. This is all for education's purposes. I don't want you to be taking these sessions as like maybe signals or copy trading or anything like that. No. Right here, the whole purpose is to learn, to grow, to become better. Every single day when the market comes, there's opportunities in the markets. We basically just get to experience those opportunities together, right? And then, yeah, man, so that was just basically me letting you to know that before taking any trades, whether I'm taking it, whether I'm not, you should just make sure that you know what you're doing. Because if you're just going to see me take a trade and you want to take it, obviously if it doesn't work out, you don't know what cost it. You're just going to be sad and feel like, it's a bad Monday, but you don't know what happened. Me, I learned from it because I saw the mistake that I done, But you for you, it's not. So, yeah, man, let's enjoy these sessions. And the only best way we can enjoy these sessions is by understanding that they are for education's purposes. Okay? Are we in, team? Are we in this together? Let's see what numbers are saying. Are we in this together, team? Are we doing this together? I want to see. Yeah, my phone is dying out. Are you guys with me on this? Let me look at that gold if it's still. Yeah, let's go gold. Hopefully gold can just come down. See this saw, yeah, this saw, we saw it, but I was not gonna get a nice entry. Maybe if somewhere, yeah. No, but this is not gonna be dope. No. Let's go. Gonna have to wait patiently for it. I'm still gonna have to see this one. I don't think it's gonna come down and give me that opportunity. It might just come out and come here at the bottom, straight up here. Let's see if that happens too. I'd have to, I don't know, maybe because I would maybe want to buy it here at the bottom. Let's go. Okay. US30. Ooh, this is another one. US30, bro. It's been. Last week I didn't really trade it like that. I just, yeah, man, me and USDT, we fight him, bro. I think I'm gonna have to be personal to USDT, bro, because, yeah, bro, he's not giving me entries, and the entries that he gives me, when I don't execute them and they go well. So, USDT is taking chances. So either I'm gonna cut him off or I'm gonna give him one last week. If he doesn't do the right thing, I'm gonna cut him off. There's no other way, bro. Can't be negotiating a cut off. Let me see. So, yeah, man. Let me start off first here. The weekly on US30. Okay, just some bullish spikes upwards. Let's go, yeah. We had these push upwards, yeah. Push down. Okay. 4 hour, let's see. Okay, I can see that we had obviously this push-up, even though the push-ups moves in a not so nice way, because you can see the push-up, how it goes up, right? It's not too clean, but look at the cell, those sellers come in heavy. So I can see that it is pushing up, but it's not really, let me see, maybe a smaller time frame might show us something much more better. Okay, right now I can see that came from here at the top, we took out these lows here, low, 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 and now we are basically in a, corrective phase, right? You can see, if you can just do this, you can see it's a nice flag, high chance that we're going to continue to the bottom. So now it's a matter of like, where exactly are we going to see price retrace? It's either here, there's no other solid area, like I wouldn't just sell here because it done this. I'd rather wait for it to catch and then look for those cells. Let's go. Okay, I can see we already broke above here. This area here already cracked here. You can see this is the one that done all this. But I still would love to see it go a bit more up. I wouldn't sell it just there yet. Yeah, more like this here. Oh, it's been tested. It has been tested. This is where my entry, I actually wanted my entry right here. Stop loss maybe just above here to be on the safe side. 1:2 right here. This thing would have like literally tagged in and then now going for TP. So obviously right now, not even too sure, bro. I don't know. Let me wait and see. See Nasdaq, let's see gold. Not okay, Nasdaq. Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Team, we're doing this, bro. I was trying to see if I could get like maybe some sort of like a saw area, but not happy with the areas that those things showing me. Now let me just wait a bit. I'm not seeing anything yet. Here's 100. Okay. Yeah, we're still gonna go slightly down here. So now we're coming back up. I would look for like a proper entry on it, but I just don't like how these candles done this. But yes, the team was weird. Like you see how these candles moved. If it was a nice solid, like, you know, straight up structure, but so I don't like the fact that it can just and then go down. Understanding yes, 30, bro. I can't just sell here for no reason. Okay, let me wait. Gold, okay. Now it's the waiting game, team. Now it's the waiting game. You know, you get to a point where the markets, you just have to wait. There's no other way. And yeah, that's what we're doing right now, bro. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Right now, the only one that looks promising is gold. I won't lie. Okay, see, it's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. Ew. Ew. Yo, bro, I think I'm gonna have to start stacking up. Futures gold. Right, Jen. Hopefully gold just does whatever it wants to do, goes down, activate me, and then goes back up. It's not gonna be nice if he just shoots up from here. Yeah, Nasdaq as well is coming up, so we'll just see. Nasdaq, we're breaking below. Use gold as well, we could be breaking below. Let's see. No, we just went back up. I think we're still gonna push down. Ooh, look at US30. Imagine if I was like feeling sad, I was like, nah, I was gonna take this a saw somewhere. Imagine I would now be seeing dust. So you see, I took it easy, bro. Starting the week nice and easy, bro. Not bothering anyone. Hopefully, yeah, maybe for now, if I want to take a saw, this thing could be doing a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. So what I would want to see is at least if price can come somewhere here and then go back up, then I can take a saw, right? So now I'm not gonna like try to chase it or anything. Gold, I still believe we're still gonna go down here. Just needs patience, this one here. Yo, bro, gold the way it is, I don't think it might go down. But I'm not gonna like rush it because the way it's doing, it looks like it wants to go up massively. Like looking at it. But here's two ways. Two ways is I'm gonna feel like it might go up because I've seen this thing before where it does this and then it shot up and I had a buy at the bottom. So two ways. It's either I'm gonna feel like, oh no, it's gonna do that, 1, 2, 3, and not stick to my plan and not stick to my way of doing things and then rush it. Which means that if it goes and his take profit, yeah, I might be slightly happy with the fact that I was able to see this before and I was able to catch and stuff, but it's not what I was looking for. It's not my plan. It's not my trade. So if it goes against me and it comes here, I'm down one trade plus as well. I still have to take a trade when so if this trade goes well in profits, I'm making money that I lost from here, and so I don't think it's worth it in terms of just for the purpose of myself building the confidence behind it. So I'm not gonna take it just because I wanna make a quick buck. I'd rather wait for my setup. If it doesn't come, it's okay, but I won't just take this. So you see now this one you're starting to come back. See? starting to come back. But also with this one, I'm not gonna really, I see it's coming back, but I'm not gonna sell it here. I can be like, no, I wanna take it here where it's the most, high at, but it's risky. It's very risky. I'm not gonna sell it yet. It's not my plan. So still waiting. Sorry, gold. Let's go. Yeah, that's true, bro. Are you is it trade your plan? That's true. The goal is to trade our plan, nothing much. Just gonna stick to the plan, bro. Are you local, receiver? No, bro. I've been out of the country since the year started. Not, bro. There we go. It's coming. Yo, I just got like, I on like this session, I literally came back from the gym. I was in the gym. I was supposed to give it 2 hours, but I gave it one. Because I was like, no, time is against me now. As soon as I got home, I just literally put on my laptop and go for it. There were gold. Okay, we're coming up. Imagine, let's say what I was showing you, if I felt like it's going up, it's gonna leave me. Imagine now I'd be hitting stop loss, like I did say, stop loss. Imagine, bro. You guys are seeing it. Now I can see it coming up. Hopefully it just checks. There we go. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Can I copy trade yours? No. Don't you miss your kids, big bro? I do, bro. Yes, I do. But I speak with them like almost every day. But I still do, bro. Online, I do, bro. I do. Okay, bro. Let's go. Yo, team. Currently, right now, you can see, bro. We're doing this. We are live. And yeah, man, if you just found us, make sure that you do tap in, team, tap in. Don't be left behind. So obviously, follow, subscribe, do whatever possibly, just so you're a part of us. But yeah, man, pull through. We're coming up. We're still on the come up. And we're doing this, bro. Yeah, I think gold is gonna be getting close to a young brother entry. I need all the phones possible, bro. All the phones possible. Bring them all close by. Okay, we just tapped in. Okay. Let's go, team. So yeah, man, we'd have to see what gold is gonna do now, bro. We just got at the bottom. I was waiting for this trade. Obviously, you guys can see now I caught it luckily. So it's just a matter of how does it go, you know. Was it worth the wait or is it gonna play me? Hopefully we see that rejection, bro. Okay, let's see, Toba. Is it gonna push down? Let's go, team. Looking at this thing like a hawk. Let me see what we're doing with the dollar. Why is this doing this exact same move? Maybe the dollar is doing something right. Let's go. What is going on with the internet? Let's go, team. We're in this. We're running right now, bro. We are running. Bro, my network is cutting out. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go. Let's go, team. Okay, there we are. Okay, there we are. There we are. There we are. Okay, I'm sure we got activated all angles, right? All angles, bro. Let me see. Wait, didn't I enter this? What happened? Oh, wait, what happened? What happened? What happened? Oh, yes, I'm in. Oh, is that what's going on? Okay. Network, don't play with us, bro. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Don't play with us. Don't play with us, bro. Okay, bro. Right now, we obviously live managing this one, yeah. Let's go, team. So right now, obviously, it's just management, making sure that everything goes well. Okay, we're coming down at Sito Way. Okay, go the Dex. I mean this one here. We got you. Was this the perfect area? I'm not too sure now. I'm not too sure, bro. Because I still see potential with this going up. See that this one here is gonna respect you and then come down, or it might go down. So I just didn't see this area here, but hopefully it holds. Let's see. You see this one here? Yo, had a crazy saw. You remember when we were here? How we spoke about it? But I was like, no, I'm not comfortable and all that. Yeah. Had a crazy saw. So now it might be giving that push up. So maybe somewhere here. And then we could potentially see Sanos. This one here, I'm not too sure if it will still go more higher. Like somewhere here before it goes down. Not too sure. This one here. I want it to go well. Yo, bro. What just happened? What just happened, bro? Ah. Okay. Let me see what just happened. Okay, we came up here. You can see, yo, bro, gold. Then I think after here we might want to shoot up. Let's see. Yo, bro, that was yo. This break to the downside, bro, it hurt my heart. Okay, now we got you. Let's see, now we got you. So it might be pushing down. Now it might be going up. Let me see. Yeah, bro, I like this buy here, and I could feel it. You remember just before this drop happened, I could feel. Let me see. Okay, now I'm gonna have to wait for like at least. Honestly, I can't just enter here. I can't because it might still go down. But this is like, you know, the lightest area, bro. Let me see. I'm gonna have to be smart on it. Let me see. One last re-entry on gold. One last, because I still believe in this setup right here. Buy. Just one last one. One last one. Yes. This is just too late. I'm not gonna take it this way. Let's see. Okay. Let's do two. It'd be somewhere here. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I could go somewhere here. Stop. Let's just keep it here. First rate. Okay, let's see. Let's do two. It'd be somewhere here. Yeah, with the first one, I think the one problem that I didn't do was confirm with the sage here, because after I seen this, remember I was waiting for a sell here. So when that sell happened, it was here. I thought it was here. So that's why you saw that push up, and I was waiting for it, So I made a mistake of not really confirming before execution if this area is very valid. But now this is where I was supposed to actually take it, which means that anything that happens now obviously doesn't mean that it's gonna go well just because it's where I was supposed to take it. It can still take a loss, but I was like, instead of just feeling bad and I'd rather take this, and then hopefully if it goes well, it's good. But if it doesn't, it's okay. I'll just say for today, the week obviously can't always win, bro. Can't always win. Can't always win. Can't always win. Can't always win. Let's see. Hopefully we see price pushing upwards. It's breaking those, we don't want this. Let's see. Yeah, we have to be out. This is my stop loss. No, I'm out. It's not good. Yeah. Close it. Yeah. Not good, bro. Not good, bro. Okay. So now I'm gonna have to take it easy, bro. I can't take any more trades on gold. I'm gonna have to wait a bit. This is drop here. Let me see. It might still go like down, but already, bro, I took 2 trades, bro. It's more than enough. For today on gold, I'm just gonna stay away because I don't wanna mess up. I need to be able to know when it's the right time to stay away. So I'm just gonna stay away, but I'm gonna keep on it, look at it, just to see what actually is doing. Well, Trump tweeted something. Let's see what actually Trump tweeted. Let's see, bro. Since you're saying Trump tweeted something. I think not a good way to start the week, bro. Let's see what Trump tweeted. Nah, bro. Last time I see Trump tweet, when is it? May 23? Nah, bro. There's nothing Trump tweeted. Nothing, bro. Last pin, July. Nothing. but you see it's coming up, but I'm not gonna take it because I feel like it'll be, you know, that feeling where like you feel like it's gonna go up and then it takes you there, because this was actually supposed to work out. This one, the fact that it took me out, it's saying something like, so I'm not gonna take it. So because I might take it feeling like, oh, now it's ready, and then it still takes me out again. You know, so sometimes you just have to be on the safe side. If it shoots up, it's okay. I'll learn from it. Look at Nasdaq too. We had that huge spike down, and then now we're still coming up. Let's see this one here. Yeah, bro, we come back strong tomorrow, bro. Now let's see Forex Factory. I only see these guys here. Let me see gold. Yeah, bro, and this is where it's now. It has confirmed with these to hold, so it's more likely to go down. Yeah, bro. I mean, it's more likely to go up. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go, guys. You guys can see witnessing it. Good days, bad days. No, it's not good, bro. You see, like now how it's coming. Truly speaking, this would be if like I never took that second entry or any entry, I should be able to take it right now, like maybe something more like this. But because of those other negatives that I already took, I'm not gonna really play too much on it, because I just wouldn't want, like, you know, to give back too much hard work. Just gonna like manage it and just to see what's actually gonna be happening with this, you know. Because yo, bro, I already feel the losses that I took, bro. I really feel them. This year would have been a perfect buy entry, bro. Right, yeah. But I don't think that it will like allow us to be able to, because from here it's only going upward. It has tested here. It has broken the previous lower highs. Like it has done basically everything that I needed it to do, right? So, but yeah. This year would have been a cleaner one. So like maybe something more like this. Maybe something more like, yeah, and then just below. Then target 22 would be somewhere, yeah, something more like this. Let's go team, let's go team. Guys, if you're new on the channel, that's what we do every single day. You get to see it all in real life, the wins, the losses, how I handle, how I react, you know, everything, bro. We don't put anything back. You know that the market, obviously there's no single day whereby you just win forever and forever and forever. So you get to see how I'm going through, like, you know, it all, bro, it all. When I'm going through good winning streaks, you guys see it. When I'm taking a couple of losses here and there, you guys see it. You understand? But like I did say, everything is for, you know, educational purposes, which means that you should be learning. On your side, your goal should be like just focused more on the learning, you know, nothing really much to do any negative thing. And yeah, man, from there we should just stack up, bro. From there we should just stack up, nothing else. Let's see. I don't think this thing would want to really come here at the bottom. Like, yeah. As of now, I'm not too sure, obviously. Because I'm seeing this rejection that rejected. This rejection, yeah. It's huge. It might still want to push up. But if it goes down, that means that it would be coming down somewhere here. Which means that I'd rather just be out, you know. So, because you can see these sellers that are coming up. But with this one here, I still see this one here pushing down. So if this one here is going to be going down, gold is going to be going up. So better just do its thing. Nasdaq, let me see. Nasdaq is getting close to here where I wanted it to come to. Remember, I wanted it to gauge it before I could see a sell. But with these two rejections, bro, I'm just not too sure, bro. Honestly, I'm not too sure. And I feel like I already took a bit of, you know, I took like 2 losses in a row instantly. So I feel like it's too many trades. It's feeling like it's over trading, right? Like it's feeling like I'm over trading, you know, like to me. So I'm not feeling good because of that. That's why, you know, I'd rather just be out. Would rather just be out, bro. So, but yeah. So you see this one here, that's why I did say if, you know, you enter it, it's going to be a trade where it goes back and forth with you. Back and forth, bro. Look at it. Yes, team. Yes, team. Yes, team. Yes, team. Yes, team. We're doing this, bro. We're putting in the work. That's just how it is. Tune in, team. Tune in, tune in, tune in. I just want to see how this thing is going to play out. Eventually, is it going to, like, play around, do its thing? Is it going to come back up? Is it going to go down, just so I can learn from it? Yeah, I think this thing might still come, like maybe somewhere, yeah. Let me just remove all this, remove this. I just don't understand because, okay, I can see the dollar is slightly trying to push up. Let me see tomorrow what actually is going to go on. Okay, we have some CPI news that are coming up tomorrow, so we might see some heavy news. We might even have to start the session earlier because I can see it start coming up at 2:30. So we would even have to start the session a bit more earlier. But yeah, man, we're going to have to show up more disciplined, team. You guys have to, you're going to have to show up. There's no other way, team. There's no other way. There's CPI tomorrow. So let's just see how gold is going to play out. Plus this one here, Nasdaq, I just also want to see it too. This one here. Yeah, I need to gain up some confidence, like just gain up some confidence, because obviously now it looks like I am on a losing streak. So in order to do that, like, how do I do that? How do I gain confidence, especially when I'm on a losing streak? So take it simple, bro. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Kupsiper. Yeah, bro. Yeah, man. This actually does activate us, makes us feel good. Highly appreciated, brother. Thank you. But how do I recover from, like, a losing streak? So what I'm gonna do is, when I take more trades, I'm just gonna reduce my risk. So, cause yeah, man, I looking at data previous weeks on Mondays, I was getting nice, good trades. So today I actually thought that I would, and I didn't start like, easy, I just went all in. Okay, but not all in as in like risk wise. I mean, all in terms of, I could have started easy, like build some buffer. You understand? So, yeah, man, already it is a negative day. So what I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna have to come up with a comeback plan, and that would be obviously, like, let's say, reducing more risk. So when I take more trades, at least if I can have 2 trades that I want to win, then I would be good. Like, let's say, for instance, I'm not going to take this. I'm just showing you, if I take a trade and it gives me 1:2 already, because I'm going to trade with half a risk, this is going to bring back risk. And then if I catch another one, it's going to give me profits. But if I catch like a big monstrous trade, something like this, automatically this is going to put me way more ahead. And with how the markets is moving, I think tomorrow, because my goal right now is, this whole time I was stick to risk to reward, like 1:2. And when I looked at my data now, I was like, okay, what does, it's good, because when you take TP, it makes sense, like, everything. But now I'm at a point where I'm trying to leave out more room, room in terms of not just take profit at 2, like be able to adjust, because I've seen that I've left a lot of profits on the table just by taking profits. So that's what I'm going to be doing as well. You're going to be seeing a lot of that this week. So yeah, man, obviously, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you hit that button right now, bro. Hit that button now. Let's go, team. But you guys can see one thing that I want you to take and see is the fact that, this is how the markets are. The most important thing is how you stay disciplined through the noise, through the backs and forth. Like you see Trump tweeted, whatever he tweeted, look at the noise that was caused here. Look at this, bro. But the only thing is with me, it's just there's something that we could have knew. Because I came with this session, with the sell from here, while waiting for that buy. If there was something that I knew, maybe I could have sold and held it. So I don't know, maybe till here where I was looking to buy. I don't know, but it wouldn't make sense because it was to what wouldn't make sense. And when it gets here, I wouldn't just let it run because I would have believed that it's going up. So yeah, it is tricky on how that sell could have been caught. Yeah, you see gold. Imagine if that means if you force and you wanna like bring back money. Let's say for instance you lost the first trade, you wanna bring back second trade. Already with my second trade, I saw that okay, what I'm thinking is not working out. So imagine now you come back again with the third trade, try to force it. Already you'd be out. This is how people blow accounts. Like you go back and back and back into that cycle. So yeah, man. But you guys, if you're seeing this, you can get to see, oh, okay, this guy, what was doing this, even though he still believed in the setup, but he still just stayed out, you know. Let's go, team. So Nasdaq, yesterday I wanna see if you're gonna take out these lows. Nasdaq, I'd love to see if you're gonna push up in here and then go back down, or if you're gonna break above. Yeah. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go, team. Let's go. Still hustling. We could be coming in here. But yeah, man, let's just keep it like this, team. Let's just keep it like this. Remain positive throughout all wins, throughout all losses. Maintain. Cause yeah, man, when you take when you take wins, it's exciting. It's nice. In fact, let me document this down. What am I doing? Where are we? because I'm actually shooting a video. You guys must check out the video documenting down my journey with everything. There's more that are still gonna be coming up, so you guys must check it. But yeah. So already right now we're running live. You can see, bro, the team is here. Everything is going on, bro. And yeah, man, everything is happening live. Not a good day, not the best way to start the week, because you can see we took already the first one here, which was a buy on gold. I was waiting for this 5 minute to come and test this area here. And yeah, man, we took a buy here, and then it shot down massively. Apparently Trump tweeted something and then tried to take another buy here at the bottom on the 1 minute. As soon as it came up, I was like, okay, now we are positive. Then it still went down. So I'm glad that we didn't go with revenge trade and try to take more and more and more. But yeah, man, these are one of those days whereby losses have to come up on the journey. And yeah, man, I just can't wait to see how the week is gonna end, especially now that we've got everything on video, the goods and the bad. So yeah, we're still looking on these sides here. So let's go, team. So you see now this one here broke below. Yeah, we had that major break. Let me see Nasdaq, what are we gonna do? Nasdaq is also, it looks interesting. Let's go. Let's go. Let's do this, team. Show your loss, please. I don't know why do you want to see my loss, bro? But I don't know. I place trades anyway. I placed it here. Here it is, bro. First trade, second trade. You can see entry, exit, entry, exit. Real life trade, bro. And this is a live account. I'm talking about a funded live account. So yeah, not too good, bro. Not too good. I think for the day I'm done. Let me just see how much. $311. $311. Not good. You see, gold is now starting to come up. I feel like it is oversold, bro. Like it dropped massively. It has to come up at some point. But I'm not gonna like obviously take it or anything because of that. For today, I'm just gonna lay low, observe it just to see, learn from it. Give the markets more time because I just honestly feel like I just came in now. So I just want to give the markets more time, learn from it, so that this week we start the week. Remember, whether it's a win or lose, it's still positive, bro. We start the week positive. We need to be patient, bro. You see, with the Nasdaq, I mean, yesterday we just done this grab right here. So it's either it could go back up, like play a bit more, push up, or just play around, or we might see it pushing downwards till somewhere here at the bottom. Just somewhere here. Depends on how strong it is. But I think for now, in terms of the window, I think there might not be that much volume. Because we just had that overlap. We are still in the overlap, London and New York session. Yeah, let's go team. Let's go team. Guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you tune in, bro. Hit that button. We're still on the come up, guys. You can see. Let's do this, team. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's see if we're gonna have that push up. I think this one here might like start playing in terms of, we see it like take out the lows and take out the highs. Let's see. Looks like it wants to be bullish right now. See, buyers, like this one here was a nice run for the buyers because it seemed as if there's momentum. But yeah, you see how it's coming up. Like it's not really that convincing. Let me check the dollar. It's been a while since we looked at the dollar index. Okay, dollar, we're still here. Still here. You see with the dollar, we're still in those areas. And remember, I wanted it to break a bit above it, right? But look at it. We're still in it. So yeah, I think that spike down was just volume from whatever that Trump may have said from him posting. And right now, we don't really see much. So I'm not too sure if the setups are going to be like, ready for tomorrow or they're going to just be ready during Asian session. But I'm not going to, obviously, I only trade New York. So I'm just not too sure in terms of how to or what to expect from these sessions. But this week, obviously, bro, how we start the week is also important. Like, I take it right now as it is a great one because of, like, we started the way that we did. Just like if you started with profits and stuff. Obviously, no one wants to lose. So you don't want to, like, start just by taking negatives. But if you can just at least stick to something, stick to the script, stick to what you told yourself, stick to the plan, I feel like, you're on the right track. So that's just with me, how I saw it. And this thing here is oversold. This one here is not really oversold, but this one here is oversold. I don't think there's still more volume to the downside. If we do push, it will just be till somewhere around these areas here, and then we'll see price coming back up. That's if we do still push down, because I don't think that there would be that much volume anymore to the downside. Let's go, team. Tomorrow, I want us to start early, team. I want us to start very early, like earlier than today, because I noticed that for these sessions to also be more successful, we're gonna have to be early. Today we started 9 p.m. my time. No, not 9. It's not 1 hour 30. Yeah, I started 9. 8, 1 hour 30. Like maybe 8. Yeah, I started around 8. So we're gonna have to start like maybe like 2 p.m., which is gonna be 7 p.m. my time. Let me see what time does Jimmy end. 7 p.m. 6, 7, 8, 6, 6. Start at 7, 8, Yeah, we're gonna have to start at 7 my time, which is gonna be 2 p.m. your time. 7. See, gold is now coming up. Now it's coming up, bro. Now it's coming up. It's pushing up, bro. Do you think we'll see price pushing upwards? I'm not too sure, bro. I'm not too sure. Okay, let's give it 10 more minutes, team. We're giving it 10 more minutes and then we're going to call it a session. 10 more minutes. Okay, gold. Nasdaq. You see what Nasdaq is doing? Nasdaq is getting there. I'm not going to take it. I already executed a bit too many trades for the day, but I would like to see how it's going to go. Maybe it could be a confidence builder or whatever. Or maybe, because I would take it on my other account, but like I did say, bro, I just don't want to mess up anything. We could still come up here, so yeah, I'm not going to take it. Let me just let it, just to see. If it plays out, obviously it's going to be sad, but because I told myself that I won't take it before taking it, I'll just have to be disciplined, you know. Guys, if you just, maybe you're scrolling through Founders, make sure that you subscribe, bro. We are getting there. We're on the journey to hitting 300,000 subscribers. We should be getting there within the next few coming weeks. And yeah, man, I believe we're getting there. I believe we're getting there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oops. Good bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thanks, bro. Thank you so much, brother. You a star, bro. You a star. You just lifted a young brother's mood. And yeah, man. Yeah, man, we feel good. We feel good. We feel good, bro. Let's see what's going to happen with this one. Yeah, I still see it pushing upwards. That's why I'm not going to take it. So yeah, done. This one, like I did say, it can still go, but it's going to take time. It's not going to be this big move that went down here is what I wanted to see with the buy. It like this massive move. So now it might take time. It might be ready during Asian session, you know, all these things. So many things going on, right? Obviously, team, it's not nice when you take a stop loss. It's not. It happens, though. It happens. Can't avoid it. Let's give it like, 5 more minutes, team, 5 more minutes. Tomorrow we're doing this, bro. We're going to be meeting up earlier. We're going to be doing it more bigger, bro. We're coming back stronger, bro. I want us to be on a run, and not a run like, I want us to be on a profitable run, but not a run whereby I'm forcing trades and trades don't work out and, I'm forcing every day to a point where I lose too much. No, but a simple, nice run, bro. A run whereby you'd be able to see day in, day out, okay, we're pulling. And obviously on days when it doesn't work out, we take it easy. 2 losses, we lay low. We lay low, we take it easy. When they come back, we come back stronger. So that's what I want us to do for the next week. I mean, not next week, for this week actually. So we're leaving nothing behind, bro. You're right, bro. We're right. We're coming back. We'll come back stronger. So that's what the run is gonna do. Okay, there we see Nasdaq is coming up there. Let's just give it 5 more minutes. I'm not too sure if maybe members your side, you guys are still gonna trade for the day. For me, it's over my trading session, right? When I say over, I don't mean like it's not New York anymore. I trade New York obviously, but what I mean is that normally I want to focus on the first 2 hours of New York. You understand? And that's why I want us tomorrow, when we start off by 2 p.m. we have that 1 hour. New York is running. We do the pre-market. New York is running. We start with New York. In the first 2 hours, we still look at it. So the first 1 hour will be obviously, doing everything, sketching, going hard, planning for those entries. And then from there, those next 2 hours, that's the first one. So the session is going to be minimum 3 hours. And the next 2 hours is going to be execution, waiting, managing. And around this time is when we would be ending the session. So we're going to start it quicker, but we're going to end them at the exact same time, which is 10 p.m. my time. I think that side, I don't know, 5? Maybe 4, I don't know. Let me see, I should just be sure. It's 5 years, so 5 p.m. That's where the session is going to run up until, so we're going to start it 2 till 5. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2 to 5. 2 to 5 makes sense for me. 2 to 5. So make sure that you guys you've got it. You've got those dates, the times down, because I want, as of tomorrow, we're starting it from 2 p.m. South African time till 5 p.m. We're gonna do everything. No trade is gonna leave us, bro. Obviously, I'm not gonna do too much. Like, I'm trading only 2 to 3 trades a day. So when I say we're gonna do too much, it just means we're giving it our time, our attention, bro. It can't start the week like this. Some people, when you start the week and you take the negative, already you done. You're angry. You're gonna call it quits. You're gonna call the markets and all that. Me, in fact, it's giving me hunger. What does the week have for me? It means that there's something for me that's coming up. Why is it trying to demotivate me? You understand? So that's my mindset. Why? It means something is on the other side. If I could just push through, if I started the week and I was in profits, maybe I was not gonna get it because I was gonna come down. You understand? So, yeah, man, just keep your head high, bro. Keep your head high. Keep your head high. That's one better. Okay, let's give it just a few more minutes. 2 more minutes, and then we can call it a session. Team, obviously, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure that you do hit that button. Right now, we do this every single day. You can see you witnessing it. And yeah, man, here it's all for learning purposes. You know, we're growing, learning, we're becoming better. We're just developing as human beings. So yeah, man, losses means lessons, and they as well mean opportunity or room for growth, room for you being better. Because if you lost, just look at what did I do that made me lose. That if I do something, or if I do it in the right way moving forward, I'm gonna win. You know what I'm saying? That's all. And yeah, man, wins as well, same thing. What did I win? What did I do in order to win? Then try to do more of it. You know what I'm saying? So, and the most important is just discipline throughout it all. Just discipline, bro. Yeah, you see gold is coming up. It looks so interesting. I just want to pay attention on it. But yeah, man, I think we have already pushed the team. Looking at the time, I think we have already gave it time. Yeah, Nasdaq, we're still playing around there. You see, I wanted it to come into here and then go back down, but we're still playing. Gold looks like we are coming up. So we'll have to see how it's going to run. That's when I can see we're taking out the lows here. So yeah, man, I think for now we can just call it a session. Let's meet up again the next day a bit more earlier. Team, make sure that you show up a bit more earlier. And yeah, man, let's do this. Started the week with 2 trades, 2 negatives. Let's see how the week goes. And yeah, man, I'm excited. I'm happy that the members, you guys all did join. You guys all did pull through. I am happy. I won't lie, bro. And man, let's do this, bro. Subscribe if you haven't. Let's go hard, bro. Let's go hard. Do have a phenomenal evening, team. Have a phenomenal evening. Cheers team, cheers team, cheers team. You see, now we prepared this time. At least we have fast internet. Yeah.